Just like JFET, MOSFET is also a active device. Active device is a device in which we can control the flow of electron, in which current can be controlled. So MOSFET is also a voltage control device, means output current ID can be controlled by input voltage VGS. This is the classification of MOSFET. MOSFET is classified into two: enhancement type MOSFET and depletion type MOSFET. The basic difference between two is that in enhancement mode, the channel is not there initially, but in depletion mode, the channel is there from the beginning. These two are again classified into two types: P channel and N channel type. This is the N channel depletion MOSFET. This is the construction of N channel depletion MOSFET. The channel is of N type. This is the body or substrate of N channel MOSFET. Drain and source are connected to N channel by metallic contacts. Gate terminal is also connected to this N channel, but there is no direct contact between two, as there is a thin layer of SiO2, silicon dioxide, is there. This is the working of N channel depletion MOSFET. Here VGS are connected and are grounded here, and a positive voltage VDS is applied between drain to source terminal, between drain and source. By applying positive voltage, the electrons will flow like this, in this direction, and the current will flow in opposite direction, from positive to negative. So this is the direction of flow of current, ID. ID will flow in this direction. When we increase VDS, ID will increase, and it will increase up to the value, up to a constant value, that is IDSS, and after that it will become constant. So IDSS is the maximum current of ID that can flow when VGS is 0. Now we will see what will be the effect when we change VGS. When VGS is 0, the maximum ID flow is IDSS. When we increase VGS, यानी कि when we apply positive gate to source voltage, then what will happen? When we apply positive gate to source voltage, then positive voltage here will attract electrons and will repel holes. So the free electrons available for conduction will increase here. So the current will increase. So by applying positive VGS or by increasing VGS, ID will increase. When we decrease VGS, means when we apply negative gate to source voltage, then what will happen? When we apply negative voltage here, it will repel electrons, and electrons will recombine with the p-type substrate, p-type body here, with the holes in p-type body here, and the available free electrons for conduction will decrease. So the current ID will decrease. So when we increase VGS, when we apply positive gate to source voltage, ID will increase, and when we decrease VGS, that is when we apply negative gate to source voltage, ID will decrease. This is the characteristics of N-channel MOSFET. There are three conditions when VGS is 0, and when VGS is increased, that is, it is when positive VGS voltages are applied, when VGS is decreased, when negative VGS voltages are applied. So this is the drain characteristics of N-channel MOSFET. It is a curve between drain current and VDS, drain to source voltage. So when we are increasing VDS, ID is increasing. Now we will see what will be the effect of VGS. When VGS is 0, here VGS is 0, maximum ID is IDSS. When VGS is decreased, means when negative gate to source voltage are applied, then ID will decrease. When we apply negative gate source voltage here, means the available free electrons here will decrease, thereby ID will decrease. So when we apply negative gate to source voltage, ID is decreasing. ID, the value of ID is decreasing. When we apply positive gate source voltage here, means it is attracting electrons here, available electrons, free electrons for conduction will increase, thereby ID will increase. So with increase in VGS, ID is increasing. This is a drain characteristic curve between ID and VDS. This is pinch off voltage. VP is pinch off voltage. Pinch off voltage is a voltage when current will become 0. When ID will become the voltage at which ID will become, that voltage is known as pinch off voltage. And ID can be given by this equation, ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP to the power to the whole square. VP is the pinch off voltage. So above 0 volt, when positive VGS is applied, this is known as enhancement mode. Below 0 volt, when negative voltages are applied, this is known as depletion mode. This is the transfer characteristic of N-channel MOSFET, depletion MOSFET. So transfer characteristic is a curve between ID and VGS. Here in x-axis there will be VGS. It is a curve between ID and VGS. What it shows, what is the effect of VGS on ID? When VGS is 0, when VGS is 0 volt, ID value is IDSS. When VGS is increasing, that is increasing above 0 volt, when we are applying positive VGS voltages, then ID value is increasing above IDSS. When we are decreasing VGS, we are applying below VGS, below 0 volt. When we are decreasing VGS, the ID is decreasing. This is depletion region. This is enhancement region. Enhancement region means when VGS is positive. Depletion region means when VGS is negative. Next, this is P-channel depletion MOSFET. The difference here is that there is P-type channel here. In N-type channel, there will be N-type channel here, and in P-channel depletion MOSFET, the channel is of P-type and body substrate is of N-type. This is the working of P-channel. Now, in P-channel MOSFET, the conduction is due to majority carrier, that is hole. Now, we have connected V, G and S and connecting these two to ground. This means VGS is equals to 0. And we are applying negative voltage between drain and source terminal here. In N-type, we are applying positive voltage. In P-type, we are applying negative voltage. Now, we will see the working. When we apply negative voltage here, the electrons here, there will be flow of holes. The conduction is due to majority carriers hole. So, the holes will flow like this, in this direction. And the current will flow in the direction of hole. Therefore, the direction of current will be like this. Now we will see what is the effect of VGS. When we apply positive VGS means it will now repel the hole. Repel hole means the available hole, free hole for conduction will decrease. Thereby the current will decrease. Therefore, for positive VGS, ID will decrease here. Its working is opposite of that. With positive VGS, ID will decrease. When we apply negative VGS means it will attract holes. Means the available holes for free holes for conduction will increase. Thereby ID will increase. Thereby by increasing VGS, by applying positive VGS, ID will decrease, and by applying negative VGS, ID will increase. This is the characteristic. Here you can see when VGS is 0, maximum current is IDSS. Drain characteristic curve is this. The curve between ID and VGS. When we have made VGS 0 volt, the maximum current flow is IDSS. When we will apply positive VGS voltage, when we increase VGS, means when we are applying positive VGS voltage, ID will decrease. When we apply negative voltages, ID will increase. So this graph is opposite to that of N-channel MOSFET. This is the transfer characteristic of P-channel MOSFET. When it is a curve between ID and VGS. When VGS is 0, the maximum ID current is IDSS. When VGS is positive, this is positive, this side is positive, this side is negative. When VGS is positive, ID is decreasing. When VGS is negative, this side is negative, ID is increasing. Next, we will study about N-channel E-MOSFET. We will study about E-MOSFET, enhancement MOSFET. The basic difference between enhancement and depletion is, in depletion, initially there is N-channel, but in E-MOSFET, in the beginning, there is no channel. By applying positive gate voltage, channel is induced here. So, in the diagram, you can see that there is no channel here. This is the basic difference between enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. Working of enhancement MOSFET. This is the working diagram of enhancement MOSFET. Here we have to induced N-channel. N-channel is not there in the beginning, but by making gate voltage more positive, N-channel is induced here. When positive voltage is applied at gate, then the minority charge carriers, holes, get repelled, and the majority carriers, that is electrons, get attracted towards SiO2 layer. This forms a thin layer of electrons, producing a thin layer of N-type channel in P-type substrate known as N-type inversion layer. So this is induced N-channel. When this positive potential is further increased, the current from drain to source, that is ID current, will increase. So there is no channel initially, but with positive VGS, channel is established. This is the drain characteristic of E-MOSFET. It is a curve between ID and VGS. So in E-MOSFET, we will apply positive VGS voltage, and by increasing VGS, the current ID will increase. Transfer characteristic is a curve between ID and VGS. When VGS is 0, ID is IDSS. On increasing VGS, ID is increasing. This is the symbol of N-channel MOSFET. There are 3 terminals: gate, drain, and source. And this is enhancement type, and this is depletion type. So the direction, the arrow for N-channel is inward here. This is the symbol of P-channel MOSFET. The 3 terminals are there: gate, drain, and source. and this represents substrate.